Welcome to Turbo Rider. Today, we are diving review the 2025 Kawasaki Concours 14 is back to prove why it's still one of the most respected sport touring motorcycles in the world. Combining raw power, advanced technology, and long-distance comfort, this machine is built for riders who crave both speed and adventure, engine and performance. At the heart of the Concours 14 lies a powerful 1,352 cubic centimeters inline four-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine. It delivers over 150 horsepower and around 100 pound-foot of torque, offering explosive acceleration with smooth power delivery. The bike uses Kawasaki's famous shaft drive system, which ensures long-lasting performance and minimal maintenance, perfect for riders who travel thousands of kilometers. Design and comfort. Built with a monocoque aluminum frame, the Concours 14 offers stability at high speeds and agility through corners. The adjustable windshield, wide comfortable seat, and large side panniers make it ideal for long touring rides. Its aerodynamic body design not only looks aggressive but also reduces wind resistance, giving riders a smoother and quieter experience on highways. Features and technology. The 2025 model is expected to feature ABS braking, traction control, and multiple riding modes for maximum safety and control. The bike's 5.8-gallon fuel tank, around 22 liters, ensures fewer fuel stops during long trips, while the tetralever rear suspension keeps the ride balanced even on rough roads. Final thoughts. The 2025 Kawasaki Concours 14 perfectly blends sport bike performance with touring comfort. It's powerful, reliable, and designed for those who love open-road freedom with a touch of luxury. Whether you're riding through mountains or across cities, this motorcycle delivers unmatched performance and confidence every time you twist the throttle. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.